Dear GZ friends, today's recipe doesn't need many words. I'll just say that it is the perfect dessert for every moment, every season. Sea, mountain, hill, beach, sofa. Roll out the red carpet. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me the great pleasure to introduce you to the Nutella crepe. Volume up. What are we going to need? Eggs, milk and flour for the batter, icing, sugar and Nutella for the filling, and finally butter to grease the pan. Let's go with the batter, eggs in the bowl, break the yolks, add the milk, sift the flour in. We sift it to avoid the boring lumps. And we stir it slowly to start with, otherwise it's a mess. No salt, no sugar in the batter. We will have a perfect batter for sweet or savory filling. Strong stir with Vanna Marchi's voice. Let's cover it with cling film. Let's leave the batter in the fridge to rest for 30 minutes. Mine is ready. Couldn't possibly wait.
Zic. Sac.
Here it is. Ready for the crepes? Let's grease the crepe pan a little bit. As it is here for me, I'll take a tiny bit of butter with a napkin and I'll grease it. Just a veil. Then ladle, let's scoop the right amount of butter. Let's swirl it, and now we wait. The fuzz is usually not very nice, but we still gobble it up. Dish and spatula. So we can check how it's cooking. Oh, if you don't have a crepe pan, non-stick pan will be fine, like my granny's one. Do you know my granny, Nive? For best results, you must absolutely sing this song.
Je suis une crêpe, je suis bizarre. Parce que je fais ici, que je fais ici. Je n'habite pas ici. Pronta?
Ready. I'll fill one. Nutella. A generous scoop. Let's spread it with a nice spatula and close it. Like this first. And then like this. Let's decorate it with some icing sugar. Fantastic. Little sieve. I'm going to taste it, huh? I'll keep going like this with all the others. Nut sprinkle, puffed rice, fill your crepes as you wish. Whatever you do, there'll always be a queue. You chose nuts? You puffed rice.